How to fix Facebook Messenger not working in iOS 17 on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now search for the app Messenger. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update your Messenger app to its latest version. Likewise, hit back. Now open your settings. Scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, scroll up, open this option iPhone storage. Now from here, find the app Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears all the cache of the app. Once you do that, click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, hit back. Head towards this option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll down, open the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Facebook Messenger not working in iOS 17 on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.